it's me, Fashion Tamer, bringing you guys another wonderful wig review. And this particular wig review is coming from Braid Queens. That's right, me and Braid Queens have teamed up to bring you guys another braid review. So this is actually one of their infamous braid headband braid units, and as you can tell, you're going to get some individual braids along with some loose hairs. So that's actually really cute, very boho chic. I actually like it. Like I said before, this is a headband unit, so I was able to just slip this on with no issue. The one thing I will say is the best part about this unit, there is no snap headband. You literally put this on just like a cap, so it's like you just put it on. This is probably the dopest thing because it's a really thick headband, so you can either wear it up like this, really cute, or you can do what I did, which is fold it twice to give myself a really cute headband style. You are able to do a couple things with this unit. As you can tell, I have a cute little half up, half down with this unit. It does come with extra headbands in there, so I will go through the headbands. But if you can tell on this side, these are the couple hairstyles that I did with this unit. It's pretty simple. It's basically just a half wig that's made into a headband unit. Something simple, something easy, especially when you are one of those women that are always on the go. So one thing that I will want to tell you guys, the braids do braid all the way up. It's not too thick. It's very breathable. I could just actually see myself wearing this in the summertime because, you know, I live in Texas and, you know, it gets hot as Hades in Texas. And this is actually really breathable. The hair itself, the loose hair that's on there, it doesn't get in the way. So it's actually pretty neat. And like I said, it's giving that boho vibe. So I kind of like it. Like I said, this is actually a really good wig for someone that works out. So when you get your bag, of course, you get the infamous satin bag that says BraidQueen on there. And then they do offer you headbands. So we're going to go through the headbands that I got. I don't think everybody's is going to be the same, but these are the ones that I personally got. So starting off, I got a camouflage one. I got a really cute yellow one. And of course, they always have to give you leopard print. What girl does not love leopard print? This real cute pattern. This is actually really cute. You can wear this with a white tee and some jeans and some really cute sandals and call it a day. And then we have this one. It has real pretty mustard yellow and some navy blue in there, along with a hint of hunter green. Like I said, this is just your typical headband unit. It is actually, like, me and Braid Queens have a very love relationship. I love all their units. I never have been disappointed. I've never had an issue with them. So if you love this unit, the link is down below. Please check them out. I love them over there. They're such sweethearts and they are so patient with me. But hit them up. I believe we do have a coupon code. If I do, it's definitely going to be right here at the bottom. So if this video was informative and to you guys like it, make sure you like, share, and subscribe. Also, hit that bell at the top to be notified when I, Fashion Tamer, the Tame One, drops another video. And until we meet again, my Tame Raiders, bye!